Do you want to make crispy plantain chips that stays crunchy for days without becoming oily or soggy? In today's video, I will show you the exact method I use to make my crunchy plantain chips that are perfect for snacking, selling, and long-term storage. If you have been looking for the secret to quality plantain chips, you are in the right place. Let's get right into it. To make these delicious plantain chips, you will need green plantains, vegetable oil. The oil is much, I won't be using everything. Then we have our onion. We will peel the onion and wash it and cut it into 2 halves. And salt. We will begin by detaching the plantain. We will detach them nicely. After that, we are going to wash the plantains thoroughly, removing every form of dirt from the plantain. Or you can peel the plantain, wash it, and pat it with a kitchen towel. Choose what works for you. For the best result, choose firm mature green plantains as they tend to produce crispier chips. Go ahead and peel your plantain. You can peel it by giving it a sharp cut and opening it with your hands. Repeat the process until all the plantains are clean. Now, using a sharp knife or mandolin slicer, slice the plantains into thin, even rounds. Uniform slices are often important because they help the chips to cook evenly and give the chips a professional appearance. You can either slice the plantain on a chopping board, as you can see, or hold the plantain in your hands and slice nicely. Next, heat your vegetable oil over medium heat. Once the oil is properly heated, add a slice of onion into the pot. This will help in giving more flavor to the chips. Carefully add the plantain slices in batches. Avoid overcrowding the pan because it can lower the temperature of the oil and prevent the chips from becoming perfectly crispy. As the chips fry, stir gently to ensure even cooking. Now, add some water to the salt to dissolve it. Then, add a tablespoon of the salt solution to the oil once the plantain chips are half fried. It allows the salt to incorporate well. Continue frying until they turn into a beautiful golden color and develop the signature crunch. If you are enjoying this tutorial so far and learning something new, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps more people to discover these recipes and support the channel. Once the chips are golden and crispy, remove them from the oil and place them on a strainer to drain any oil. If you are making these plantain chips for sale, always allow them to cool completely before packaging. Packaging warm chips traps moisture and can reduce their shelf life and crunchiness. Store them in airtight containers or sealed bags to keep them fresh and crispy for a longer period. These plantain chips are perfectly crispy. Whether you are making them for family or your snack business, this delivers amazing results every time. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. Are you team salted plantain chips or spicy plantain chips? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.